Alright, so in this tutorial we're going to talk about the area type tool and how to manipulate it. Let's make a string of text right here, and a nifty little tidbit going back to the last video, we'll notice that there might be other text sitting outside through this little red box, and by double clicking it, if it'll let me, we'll get this cursor, and what that tells us is that when we make a new box, the rest of that text is linked to these two boxes. And now if we feel like it, we can go ahead and use the area type tool or touch type, and now we can select one particular letter and manipulate the size as we see fit. We can adjust this accordingly. Play around with it. Let's see, what else can we do? We could type on a path. Let's do that. So now I'm going to click out of this. I'm going to draw, just make a stroke, any kind of stroke. And with type on a path, in the direction that the path started, this is where the type will begin. So now I have a stroke or a curve that allows me to basically write text in any way that I see fit. I can adjust the way that the stroke ended up going, increase the size, play around with it. I can even add more type. And this is how we can get characters in a string of text to follow along the curve of an object or an image that we place in. The vertical type tool, pretty self-explanatory. It allows us to type vertically. Let's see, what else? Vertical type tool on a path. Let's make another stroke. We're going to go ahead and highlight vertical type tool on a path. And instead of it following the horizontal curve, or the curve horizontally, it's going to now follow the curve vertically along the line. So the x-axis of the line is now through the middle of each individual character.